Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on disabling the Always On display on Xiaomi phones. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. By turning off the Always On display feature, it will increase your battery life and possibly extend the life of your display. To do it, open the Settings app. If the Settings app isn't on your home screen, you can get to it via the app drawer. In Settings, select Always On display and lock screen. Now tap Always On display. Here you can deactivate the toggle to disable Always On display on your device. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.